Assalamu alaikum to all the students, and this is our English language class, lecture number 24 it is, and I'm your English teacher Sidra. We are now having today a comprehension lecture. It is on page number 43. I hope you all are having your books, and we should start with the reading and explanation. Actually, this topic is all about the comprehension passage is all about the penguins. They are mostly called birds also, okay, because they can swim, they can fly both. They can fly a very short height, but at very short height, but they can swim very well. Although they are called birds, इनको birds कहा जाता है, they are counted in the species of birds, but they live mostly and in the whole air. They live inside the water, in the sea. They can find their food from the same area. They don't need to fly. They don't fly. These types of birds don't fly, but they found their everything. They live inside near the sea, as well as they found their food inside the sea. Now we should start the reading. Most birds are designed to flight. Some, like the swifts, are such good flyers that they are able to catch all their insect food in the air. Means that mostly the birds are designed to fly by God from Almighty Allah. The birds are designed to fly. Birds को design और उनकी जो structure है, it is made for flight, कि वो उड़ने के लिए ही बनाई जाती हैं. Some, like the swifts which is the bird, are such good flyers that they are able to catch their all the food, all the insects, everything what they eat, they catch inside in between the air. They don't need to get down on the earth to take their food, but in the air they can take their food. But they have weak legs and can hardly walk at all. Means those birds who can fly very well, they have very weak legs and they hardly can fly. They can't fly very strongly as they can't walk at the earth as compared to they fly very well because they are designed to fly. ठीक है, वो उनको बनाया ही अल्लाह ताला ने इसलिए है ताकि वो फ्लाई करें. Okay, and they can hardly walk on the earth, they mostly fly. On the other hand, an ostrich has very strong legs, but ostrich is also counted in the species of bird, and it has a very strong legs. It can hardly fly. Some birds can hardly walk, okay, and they are very good in the flying in the air, but some birds are made with the strong legs, so they can walk very well, they can run very well, but they can't fly. These birds find their food on the ground. Those all birds which are having a very strong legs, and all those birds which can't fly, they found their food from the ground. And all those birds, they can fly very well और उनके legs बहुत weak होते हैं, तो they can catch their insects food in the air. Penguins get all their food from the sea and use their wings. Penguins are the birds. They are called the birds, and they get all their food from the sea. जो कुछ भी वो खाते हैं, their food, their everything they eat, they found it from the sea and use their wings not for flying but as paddles for swimming. They use their wings not for the flying but as a paddle. They use it for swimming. Many of them spend months at sea without ever returning to the land at all. Means they mostly whole year they lives inside the sea. They hardly come up and return to the land at all. They hardly come to sea, come out of the sea, and they spend a lot of months in the sea. They don't need to come out of the sea from the water because they can sleep over there. They can take their foods from there, okay, and they only need to sleep and to have food. ये दो ही उनकी main objectives होते हैं. If they can found the both their main objectives from the sea, then why should they need to come out? Why should they need to return to the land? So they don't need to come to the land. They don't need to return to the earth, and they spend half and more than half of the year in the sea. Life in the water requires abilities that are not needed for life in the air. Means to live inside the water, the abilities required to live in the water, they are not necessary for those who can live in the air. जो air में अपने ज़्यादा time spend करते हैं, they don't need the all requirements to live inside the sea. Obviously they are having their own requirements. So life in the water requires abilities that are not needed for life in the air or no land. The whole penguin as well as its paddle wing is different from other birds. Means the uh, penguins are called birds, but they are different from the other birds who can fly very well. The very things that make it possible, the very things that make it possible for a bird to fly like a swift or run like an ostrich would handicap it in swimming. Means all those birds who can walk like an ostrich and fly can swift, they are handicapped in it in swimming. Means they cannot swim, because we have got different categories of birds which can fly, which can walk on the land, which can swim also. Okay, so all those birds which can fly very well, which can walk on the earth also, who are having very strong legs, they are lacking um, in the abilities of swimming. कहीं ना कहीं तो उनमें ये चीज़ कमी आ जाती है. So they would handicap it in swimming. It is true that many birds can both swim and fly. It is also true that so many birds are having the abilities who can swim very well and fly also. But no bird which can fly can swim as well as penguins. मगर ऐसी कोई bird नहीं है except penguin which can fly very well and swim very well. Okay, the abilities of flying and swim both are having by these penguins, and no other bird can fly very well as a penguin which can fly as well as swim both very well. In spite of the fact that penguins live so differently from all other birds, they are still true birds and have muscles, bones, and organs very much like those of flying birds. Means their structure are made just like a bird. They are truly a bird, but they can't fly. Okay, they don't fly actually. They can fly by their wings, but they use their wings for the swimming, not for the flying. They can fly, but they don't fly. They live inside the sea. That's why they don't return out to the land, and they don't need to fly. जब उनकी सारी ज़रूरियात उस सी में समंदर में पूरी हो रही है, तो why do they need to return to the land? That's why they can fly, they can swim both, but they don't come to the earth. वो land पर आते ही नहीं है. That's why they don't need to fly. But their muscles, their bones, and all the organs are very much like those of flying birds. That all those birds which can fly very well, they are having the same muscles, same bones, and same type of uh, organs which are having penguins, and they are very well in the flying as well as in the swimming. Because of this, we know that the ancestors of penguins must have been able to fly. Means that all the ancestors means उनके जो आबा अजदाद हैं या उनके जो बाप दादा थे penguins के, therefore their previous generation, they are very, they must have the ability to fly. Means they don't fly, but they had the ability of flying. Plus now they have started to swim. So that's why they are having both the abilities, flying ability and the swimming ability. But they have catch their flying ability from the ancestors. So their ancestor must have the ability to fly. Probably since they fed on the surface of the sea, means they take their food, they feed themselves on the surface of the sea. वो कहीं और से अपना food हासिल नहीं करती, बल्कि at the coast of the sea they found their food. They slowly lost the power of flight. Means जैसे जैसे वो अपने आप को sea के करीब करती गई हैं, समंदर में ज़्यादा रहने लगी हैं, they have lost their power of flight. कि उनकी जो flying power थी as a bird, वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ख़त्म होने लगी. वाइल गेनिंग द पावर ऑफ सी फास्टर एंड डाइव डीपर. मीन्स वो इतना ज़्यादा सी से करीब हो गई बिकॉज दे डाइव डीपर. वो बहुत अच्छी डाइव इनसाइड द सी डीपली, वो बहुत अच्छी डाइव करती हैं. एंड दे स्विम फास्टर देन any other bird who can swim inside the sea. They fastly swim inside the sea. बहुत अच्छी स्विमिंग और बहुत डीप डाइविंग की वजह से they have lost their flying power, their flying ability, as well as they started gaining the power of swimming and dive deeper. This new ability opened a huge area where birds could live without competing with other birds. Means उनकी जो ये ability है, it has opened a new area where birds could live without competing with other birds, कि जहाँ इनके मुकाबले में कोई और birds खड़ी नहीं हो सकती, because they have got a very good ability of swimming plus diving also. Therefore, the new kind of bird, the penguin, was successful. Means it is a new kind of bird, the penguin. They are very much successful. They have successfully declared themselves that they are a kind of a bird which can fly, which could fly, you may say, because now they have lost their power of flight. अपनी power of flight को उन्होंने lose कर दिया है as they started gaining the power of swimming faster and dive deeper. So they have lost their flight power, but this is the bird who can successfully declare that we could fly, हम fly भी कर सकते थे. Okay, and we can run, we can fastly swim also. So this bird has got all three abilities of flying, of diving deeper and swimming, as well as they can walk also very strongly. Of course, this happened very slowly, means their flight power has lost, but it is lost by them very slowly. बहुत slowly, millions of years उनको लग गए कि वो इस flight power को lost करके अपने आप को swimming में बनवा सकें, but it has got their power. ये इनकी power में शामिल है, but it has got a lot of it. This happened very slowly, millions of years ago. But by 25 million years ago, means 25,000 साल पहले, 25 million years before, there were penguins very much like those now alive. Means they were having the similar qualities before 25 million years ago, plus right now the penguins are. Means they have got these different type of abilities of flying, of walking, as well as they are having the ability of swimming now. अब उनके अंदर ये क्वालिटी आ गई है कि they had a very good quality of swimming also. So this is the whole paragraph what we had right now. Okay, I have also collected some facts about the penguins from the same paragraph which we will discuss now. What were these? That penguins get their food from the sea and they don't use their wings for flying. Okay, because they don't fly. Obviously, when we leave our are one of the abilities, so we lost how to utilize this ability. हम जब किसी चीज़ को करने को छोड़ देते हैं, ठीक है, तो हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता उस चीज़ की एबिलिटी को भूलने लगते हैं. Just like for the example, if you don't use your fingers and hand for eating, अगर आप अपने फिंगर्स को और हाथ को खाने के लिए यूज़ नहीं करते एंड यूज़ स्पून फॉर द फीडिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ, तो आप आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वो दिवाले बनाना और अपनी उंगलियों को बाइंड करके उनमें खाना मतलब गैदर करना, वो आप सब भूलते चले जाएंगे. ठीक है, एक काफ़ी लंबा अरसा अगर हम जनरेशन वाइज इतना गैप दे देंगे अपनी किसी भी एबिलिटी में, तो वी विल स्टार्टिंग to forget that ability. Similarly, the penguins get their food from the sea because they live inside the sea. वो महीनों even the whole year they can live inside the sea. उनको लैंड पर आने की ज़रूरत ही ना पड़े. So they live inside the sea, they get their food from the sea, and they don't need to fly, and they don't need to return to the land also, because they are having their main objectives from the sea. वो अपने sea से ही सारी चीज़ें पूरी कर लेती हैं, तो why should they return to the sea, to the land of the sea? They don't need to come over here. They don't use their wings for flying. They use them for the as a paddles for swimming also. Okay, वो अपने wings को flying के लिए use नहीं करती हैं. They use them as a paddle for swimming. No bird which can fly can swim as well as penguin. Means there is no bird in the whole history that who can or which can fly as well as they can swim very well. Okay, this is the only bird which can fly as well as swim very well. This is only penguin. No other bird can do the same thing in this type of manner, in a very good way. Swifts have weaker legs and it's such a good flyer. Means swift is made up for the flying. It is not made for walking. It is not made for swimming, because because it's a pure kind of bird. So swifts have a weaker legs. उनके legs को अल्लाह ताला ने बनाया ही weak है, so that they don't use their legs a lot, and their wings are very strong. So उनको अल्लाह ताला ने बनाया ही इस एबिलिटी के साथ है, that they are having weaker legs and they are having very strong wings, so that they can hardly walk. वो बहुत कम walk करती हैं, and they are a good flyers. ये बहुत अच्छी flyers हैं, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उड़ती हैं. Nobody can catch them. कोई उनका शिकार कर रहा हो तो उनको कैच करने में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है स्विफ्ट्स को. Ostrich has very strong legs. Okay, ostrich की obviously we have already seen. हम बहुत जगह ostrich को real में maybe you have also seen. बहुत सारे students ने, even मैंने, I have seen is ostrich in the real. कुछ ही distance के फासले से I have seen ostrich very well, that they are having very long and a very strong type of legs. Okay, and it can hardly fly. They cannot fly because उनके wings strong नहीं होते. उनके wings जो होते हैं they are very weak, so that's why they cannot fly, but they have very strong legs and they can walk very well, they can run very well, and उनका शिकार भी किया जाता है. But ostrich can have can't fly. They are also called a bird. Ostrich को भी birds की ही species में count किया जाता है, but they can't fly, and they have very strong legs, so they can walk very well. Both ostrich and swift found their food from the ground. Ostrich भी अपना food जो है वो ground से ही हासिल करती है, and same as swift can also found their food from the ground. देखा है हमने swift को, जो छोटी सी चिड़िया होती है, it can come to the ground, और फिर वो जो भी दाना वगैरह अपना food जो वो हासिल करती है, and then go in the air. The ostrich and swift, they both found their food from the ground. Now, penguins are true birds. Penguins, they are not a kind of fish. They are a pure kind of birds. They are true birds. They are having all the qualities of birds. They have all the qualities of birds. Okay. Yes, they have got all the qualities of birds, and they are the true birds. They are called true birds, but they hardly fly. वो fly नहीं करती हैं because of swimming from a lot of years. बहुत सारे सालों से 25 million years ago they could fly, but now they have forgotten the ability of flying. वो अपनी flying की ability को भूल चुके हैं, because they live inside the sea for the whole year. वो अपना पूरा पूरा साल, महीनों जो है वो अपने समंदर में गुजार देती हैं. They found their food from the same place, so they don't need to return to the land. और जब वो लैंड पर नहीं आती तो उनका चलना और उनका उड़ना, they have forgotten this ability. ठीक है. अच्छा. It means penguins ancestors must have been able to fly, means they can fly. उनके पास ability तो थी. ठीक है. Their ancestors has got this ability to fly, but now they have started living inside the sea. That's why they don't have the ability to fly, and they can only live inside the sea. They lost their power of flying while gaining the power of swimming. Okay, because they are not flying from millions of years, so that's why they have lost their power of flying, and they have got the power of swimming, diving deeper, and swim faster. By 25 million years ago, penguins were very much like those now alive. Means before 25 million years ago, the penguins are very much like those now alive. Means the similar, they are having the qualities, same qualities. Okay, so these were the important facts about the penguins, and we have got some these types of facts. Acha, I have already posted the. Just a second. Acha, just a second. Let me see. Let me check what is the problem. Is it okay? Now you all can see the screen. अब सबको नजर आ रही है? Okay, okay, fine, fine. Actually, I saw your comments late. That's why. Acha, is there any problem in these all facts? If you are having still any problem, because there is nothing, it's a very good comprehension passage, and we have got lots of information about the birds which can fly, which can run, which can walk, and which can swim also. Okay, so this is a very informative paragraph. And now the all the facts I have gathered, it is also uh, informed to you. This was the slide which you couldn't see by you. Now everything is okay. So if you found any problem in it, you may ask. Otherwise, we should come to the presentation question. Okay, we have still 15 minutes in the class. These are the presentation questions. These are very different from those which you have to reply in your written work. Okay, जो written work में मैंने जो पीछे जो पैसे से related जो 5 questions थे, they are these presentation questions are totally different from that. Okay, मैंने इन 5-6 questions में वो questions को add नहीं किया है. This is totally about the passage. ठीक है, so you can have the book. Okay, आपके हाथों में आपकी books हैं. You can also reply me for these questions by looking inside the book. Okay, so I am allotting some questions to the different students. ठीक है, they will reply me whether if you are learned, अगर आपको याद है पीछे पैराग्राफ में से, तो you can give me the answer very well, and try to write the whole sentence. If you are writing by your own also, to try to write in the whole sentence in English. Okay, don't reply me in Urdu. मुझे उर्दू का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, यू आर राइटिंग इन द कमेंट इन द चैट बॉक्स एंड यू विल रिप्लाई मी for the whole all the questions. Okay, I am now assigning some questions to the different students. Haris Mehboob, you will reply me for question number 1. Why can't ostrich fly? Okay, Haris will reply me for question number 1. Musaba, you will reply me for question number 2. Where do penguins get their food? Okay, where do penguins get their food? How they get their food, or you may say from where do the penguins get their food? कहाँ से हासिल करते हैं? Musaba will reply me for question number 2. Number 3 will be respond by Romesa Abe. You will reply me for question number 3. How does penguins are different from the other birds? Okay, they are also called in the species of bird, but how they are different from the other birds? इनकी क्या क्वालिटी है जो इनको दूसरी बर्ड से डिफ्रेंशिएट करती है? देन Muhammad Talha. Muhammad Talha will reply me for question number 4. How did the penguin lose their ability or power of flight? Okay. How did the penguins lose their power of flight? अपनी उड़ने की सलाहियत को उन्होंने कैसे forget कर दिया या lose कर दिया? Then Adan, you will reply me for question number 5. What type of legs do swifts have? Okay, swifts have got dash legs. Which type of legs they have? And question number 6 will be replied by Shahroz. You will reply me for question number 6. How do penguins use their wings? Okay, now I have assigned 6 questions to 6 students. None other of them will reply me for these questions. First, let them respond, then I'll ask to others. Yes. Ramla, I didn't ask you. Okay, just wait. Yes, Ramla, yes, yesterday I have posted about the assignment about this topic. Okay, I told you that I will be posting for two assignments today, and the explanation will be done tomorrow. तो आज जो हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन की है इसका असाइनमेंट आई हैव ऑलरेडी पोस्टेड. Okay, Nusaba was giving me the answer of question number 2. Where do penguins get their food? Penguins get all their food from the sea. Very good, because they are very good in swimming. They spend months in the at the sea. They don't need to return to the land. That's why they get their all food from the sea. Just wait, Amna. Amna Maksud, just wait. Acha Shahroz is replying me for question number 6. How do penguins use their wings? Penguins use their wings as pedals for swimming inside the sea. Very good, Shahroz. Very nice. Penguins use their wings not for flying but for swimming as pedals. Adan was replying me for question number 5. What type of legs do swifts have? Yes, they have got weak legs, as they are very good in flying. They have got very strong wings but weak legs. Very good. And Haris Mehboob hasn't replied me yet. Haris, where are you? You are present, but you are not replying. Yes, Amna Maksud, you wanted to reply me. Now you should reply me for question number 1. Amna, you can reply me for question number 1 if you want. Yes, Amna. Who is replying me? Adan ke baad nobody has replied. Where are the others? Where are the others? Amna, you wanted to reply me? Okay, Rida Rahim. Ostrich can't fly because they have weak wings and strong legs. Yes, they have the ability to walk and run fastly. That's why Allah made their legs very strong, but they are weak in flying because they have weak wings. Very good. Amna Maksud, ostrich cannot fly because they have weak wings. Very good. And which question is left? I think a question is left. Still we have some time. अभी भी कुछ time है हमारे पास. Where do penguins get their food? How penguins are different? How penguins are different from the other birds? Nobody has replied me for that question. They are also true birds. Okay, they have got the same organs. They have this bones. They have very similar muscles, bones, and organs, just like the other birds. But how they are different from the other birds? Who will reply me for this? Ramla, can you reply me for this question, that how penguins are different from the other birds? What are the qualities, what are the abilities of penguins? They differentiate penguins from the other birds. Yes, Alishbar is one, you may. Penguins are different because they can swim, okay, and and they are different because they can swim. इसके अलावा, except that they have some more qualities which can differentiate them from the birds. And walk on the ground. They cannot fly. Yes, because they have forgotten their flight ability. They cannot fly because they have forgotten, they have lost their flight ability, and they don't walk on the ground. They don't need to return on the land. Muhammad Ali, they walk on the ground. Yes, they can. They don't want to. ओके दे कैन वॉक तो वो करते हैं, बट दे डोंट वांट टू बिकॉज दे लिव इनसाइड द सी, ठीक है, दे लिव एट द सी फॉर द मंथ्स, they spend months, the whole, approximately the whole year they spend inside the sea. That's why they don't need to return to the land. They cannot fly because they have weak wings, weaker wings obviously, when they will not use their flight ability, flying ability, so their wings will not be in the वर्किंग. जो चीज़ आप वर्किंग छोड़ देंगे जिस चीज़ की, तो फिर वो तो ऑब्वियसली वीक हो जाएगा. इवन इफ यू डोंट यूज एनी मशीन, तो वो भी अपनी सलाहियतों को खो देती है, ठीक है. अच्छा, penguins are different from other birds because they have ability to walk on ground and use their wings for swimming, not for the flying. Very good. Other birds can fly, but penguins can swim and get their food from the sea. Very good, Rida Rahim. Right. So it was a very interesting and very informative passage for us. ठीक है ना, हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें penguins के बारे में और दूसरी other birds के बारे में we didn't know about that before reading that passage. अब read करने के बाद हमें काफ़ी सारी knowledge भी मिल गई है about the penguins, and they are very much they are the fastest swimming birds. Very good. Birds are mostly, जब हम birds कहते हैं तो in our mind it clicks that the birds can only fly. ठीक है, बर्ड्स को हम जब भी हम बर्ड्स का नेम कॉल करते हैं, स्विफ्ट हो गई या कोई अदर फिंचीज हो गई और वॉट एवर द अदर काइंड ऑफ बर्ड्स, तो बर्ड से हमारे माइंड में यही आता है कि समथिंग विच इज फ्लाइंग. ओके, बट दिस काइंड ऑफ बर्ड, अ पेंगुइन, इट कैन फास्टर, it can swim faster and it can dive deeper, but they hardly fly. Okay, and they have lost their power of flying. वो अपनी फ्लाइंग की पावर को भूल चुके हैं. दैट्स वाई दे डोंट फ्लाई, बट दे आर अ ट्रू बर्ड. उनको काउंट स्पीशीज ऑफ बर्ड में ही किया जाता है. दे आर मेड फॉर द फ्लाइट. ठीक है, उनको बनाया इसीलिए गया है कि वो फ्लाई करें, बट दे फाउंड देयर फूड फ्रॉम द सी, दे लिव इनसाइड द सी, दे don't use their wings for flying but for the swimming as a paddles, and they are having some kind of weak legs. ठीक है, weak wings and weak legs, which not weak wings, wings उनके weak नहीं होते. If weaks are wing, then how can they swim? तो it means कि wings उनके बहुत strong होते हैं, but they have forgotten the ability of flying. They are the fastest swimming birds. Nice to meet you also. What is this Kainat Rashid, that why you are I'm not meeting with you. अच्छा है, so this was the whole passage. अच्छा, one thing more I wanted to tell you that the assignment had already posted. Okay, assignment मैं already post कर चुकी हूँ. It should be done and it should be submitted tomorrow. Okay, Friday is the submission date. Acha, yesterday I have also posted a dictation note. Okay, on Monday your dictation will be posted in next Monday, the coming Monday you may say. It is, I think, 7th of December. Okay, I will post a dictation, maybe dictation and quiz, it is mixed. Okay, you are having dictation and quiz mixed. Maybe in some questions I'll ask the correct definition, or in some questions I'll be asking the correct word. ओके, तो डिक्टेशन और क्विज मिक्स होगा एंड आई विल बी पोस्टिंग इट ऑन मंडे. उसके लिए नोट मैंने कल दे दिया है. Your all things, today is not the homework day. No, Mohammed Ali, today is not the homework day. You have 2 days of homeworks and 3 days for lecture. Okay, 2 days आपके होमवर्क के हैं. सो मोस्टली आई विल बी कंबाइनिंग 2 होमवर्क्स. जैसे मैंने कल का और आज का होमवर्क को कंबाइन करके एक होमवर्क बनाया था. ठीक है, सो दैट योर all 3 lectures will be completed as far as the lecture is concerned, as far as explanation is concerned, or as far as the written work is concerned. Okay, so in 3 lectures for 3 topics we are having 2 days for homework, जो मैं already कल post कर चुकी हूँ. One homework was posted on Monday and the other was posted on Wednesday. So you will be having 2 days for homework, the same days of homework. Okay, in every week onwards you will be having the same days of homeworks. Monday Wednesday हमारा homework जाया करेगा of these 3 lectures. Monday, Wednesday and Thursday के lecture को combine करके I will be making, जहाँ I will find according to the topic where the written work is short, you may say, there I will be combining 2 lectures written work. ओके, कहीं ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वी आर हैविंग टेंसेस टॉपिक, तो और इंशाल्लाह वी विल बी हैविंग कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस टॉपिक, तो वो तीन कंडीशनल टॉपिक्स को मैं इस तरह डिवाइड कर दूं दैट दे विल बी कवरिंग 2 होमवर्क्स, ठीक है। तो होमवर्क डेज इज नॉट टुडे, योर होमवर्क डेज आर मंडे एंड वेंसडे, and your lecture days are Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. It is already given you in the classroom, ठीक है। Okay, all of you, we were having a very nice class today. Even I also enjoyed when I made the lecture, and when I delivered it I really enjoyed. वो इंटरनेट की छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम, it always happens, कल भी बहुत इशू रहा था, and I also told you that if you are having any problem then you can ask me about the direct and indirect topic, but didn't nobody asked me today. किसी ने मुझसे कहा नहीं कि मिस लास्ट के 5 मिनट्स आप मुझे इंडायरेक्ट इंडायरेक्ट का कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिएगा, अदरवाइज I did that. But I think the lectures was complete, and inshallah we will meet in the next class. In the next class also I want you all to take your books of literature with you, and we will be having explanation of lesson number 7. Okay, एलिजिबल कॉम्प्रिहेंशन का लेक्चर आई हैव गिवन यू द आंसर की। मैंने आपको जो नेक्स्ट पेज पे एट पेज नंबर 44, अगर आपके पास बुक है तो यू कैन सी एट पेज नंबर 44 यू आर हैविंग सम क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है। उनमें से यू हैव टू कंप्लीट 5 क्वेश्चन, 1 till 5 क्वेश्चन के आपने रिप्लाई देने हैं। एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो गिवन यू इन द असाइनमेंट नंबर, द प्रीवियस असाइनमेंट विच आई हैव अपलोडेड यस्टरडे, तो उसमें मैंने आपको आंसर कीज भी दे दी हैं, ठीक है। आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू आंसर की, जस्ट यू हैव टू गो थ्रू और रीड आउट द होल पैसेज 1 टाइम, बिकॉज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन ऑल। मैंने सब कुछ तो एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, तो यू डोंट नीड टू रीड इट 3 टाइम्स, वरना कॉम्प्रिहेंशन के पैसेज को हम 3 टाइम्स रीड करते हैं, देन वी आर एबल टू गिव द आंसर्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस गिवन बिलो, ठीक है। तो आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन द होल प्रेजेंटेशन क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो, ठीक है, सब कुछ तो हो गया है। So just you have to read once the whole passage, and then you have to write down the question plus all the A to C or A to D parts, आपने उसके options भी लिखने हैं। Then you have to you may color, you may encircle or you may tick, ठीक है। या आप राइट वाले को ब्लैक पेन से कर लीजिए। सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द आंसर ऑफ एंड ऑफ ईच क्वेश्चन विच इज़ द राइट आंसर प्रोमिनेंटली यू हैव टू राइट। आप पहले क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे, देन पॉइंट नंबर 1, देन उसके तीनों ऑप्शंस लिखेंगे, एंड देन राइट ऑप्शन को टिक कर देंगे। यही एक्सप्लेनेशन थी ऑफ द होमवर्क। अच्छा, ही सेड माय नेम इज़ रॉबर्ट, कि इनडायरेक्ट में इज ही बेटे indirect, when you convert direct into indirect you have to change into past tense, ठीक है। my name is Robert, it is a simple present, ठीक है, present tense है, तो you have to say my name is Robert, my name according to the rule वो पास्ट में ही चेंज होगा। ओके, वी हैव टू फॉलो द रूल्स। तो हम वो यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ को नहीं देखेंगे, क्योंकि आज भी उसका नेम रॉबर्ट है, कल भी उसका नेम रॉबर्ट ही होगा, तो वाई वी शुड चेंज इट इनटू पास्ट। मगर अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल व्हेन वी आर फॉलोइंग द स्ट्रक्चर और रूल्स, तो फिर हम उसको वॉज में ही चेंज करेंगे। ही सेड दैट हिज नेम वॉज रॉबर्ट, ठीक है, एंड देन फुल स्टॉप। ओके मोहम्मद अली, इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन? अभी भी कंफ्यूजन है इसमें? वी डोंट यूज the natural truths or universal truth into past, जैसे sun shines brightly, he said that sun shines brightly, तो it will be same, ठीक है। सन शोन नहीं हो जाएगा, सेकंड फॉर्म में नहीं जाएगा वो, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रक्चर आपको स्ट्रक्चर और रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं, तो यू विल बी चेंजिंग प्रेजेंट इनटू पास्ट, आपने करना है पास्ट में चेंज, ठीक है। Okay, all the students, we were having a very nice class today, very informative and very interactive. um, Thank you. Okay, welcome Alishba. Now we will be meeting inshallah in the next week on Monday, and with the literature books in your hands, and literature lecture and lesson number 7 will be inshallah delivered to you. Till then, all of you take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.